To reorder apps on your Galaxy Watch app screen from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap app screen. Here you can see the list of apps you install on your watch. To change the order of apps, tap and hold the app and then drag it to the desired position. Release the app to place it. If needed, you can do the same to other apps. Once done, tap Save to save the change. To see the result on your Galaxy Watch, swipe up the screen. As you can see, the apps have been reordered as you said before. Given to the function, you can change the order of apps on your Galaxy Watch app screen. As the example, you can put your favorite apps or frequently used apps at the top of the list, so you can easily access to that app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.